Hey guys, it's Miss Irving again, and today we are learning about pollinators and how flowers grow. So to kind of show us that, I have my little bee here, and I have a flower here. I'm going to run my program, and then we'll talk a little bit about it. All right, so I don't know if you knew this, but bees are a super important part of how flowers grow. Bees go around to flowers and they get something out of the flowers called pollen. And pollen is, I don't know if you've ever seen like little yellow dust in the middle of a flower. Sometimes people are allergic to it, and that's what pollen is. And when a bee goes around collecting pollen, it actually gets pollen stuck on its little bee body. So then as it goes from flower to flower, it's spreading pollen, which helps make the flowers grow. So if bees weren't collecting pollen going around to flowers, then flowers wouldn't be growing. So in this design here, like I said, we have our flower here and we have our bee here. And actually, in order to make this work, we have our motion sensor inside the flower. And then we have our motor here. So the motor is controlling our bee, and the motion sensor is in the flower. So let's take a look at the coding. On here, it's controlling the motor. So the motor is going at a speed of 4, and remember the motor is what's connected to the bee, so that's what is making the bee spin. And it also has some gears there that are making it turn around. So it goes at a speed of 4, and it rotates like this. And then the motion sensor is waiting until something comes in front of it. And when something comes in front of it, the motor stops. And so the bee is actually what comes in front of the motion sensor. And so when the sensor senses the bee, it stops moving, and then it also plays a little sound clip of a buzzing bee. Now right now it's only going to do it once, but what we're going to do is we're going to actually add a loop to it. And then we're going to put a number in here and we're going to make it go 4 times. So let's see what happens when we do this. So this is going to go 4 times because we put it into that yellow loop. So this is just kind of a fun example to show you a little bit more about the motion sensor and the motor, and it's a good use of gears. And then it's also a fun thing that shows you a cute little bee. And then you get to learn a little bit more about bees. So your assignment for today, I want you to build a bee, and then I want you to do some more research on how pollination works. I'll see you next time.